very common in MMA, very common in street fighting. Okay. First of all, when anybody does a Muay Thai clinch, I never want to see this. Okay. Never crossed fingers. Palm over palm, and elbows come in. Okay. As a jiu-jitsu person, when somebody gets a Muay Thai clinch, I want to start posturing up. My first escape is this hand or this hand, doesn't matter, whichever side you're more comfortable with. Hold clinch. Comes across the throat, and I hold his shoulder. Okay, now sometimes it's a big, strong guy. There's not going to be enough leverage. Hold tight. So, put this here, and I push. Both. And I clear the distance of taking. So, we're here, and he clinches. Hand in. Oh, well, that's the second one. This one, right across the throat. Clear some space. Put the foot up on the hip, and push. Both. Clear the distance, and now you're ready to square off again. Okay, one more time. Cross, hold the shoulder. See how my wrist bone goes into his throat? Rest this right up on his leg, and push, both. Boom. And now you clear the distance. Okay? Gear up and try it.